Hey everybody, this is Wind.Road.Therapy. We are in Marathon in the Florida Keys. And my goal today is to ride to the top of the Keys, to the bottom of the Keys. Look at the size of that guy, he's a monster. There we go. Rain. No rain. Isn't that something? Hope you guys can see that. Welcome to Key West, Paradise, USA. There we go. Hey everybody, Wind.Road.Therapy here, and we have made it here to Key West. That sailboat does not look like it's in the best of conditions. She's listing to the side, her port side. And we have a houseboat. And then there's another houseboat all the way out there, but that one looks like it's in better condition than this one. This one looks like it's only on some logs. Yikes. This is not a bad way to spend, right? Houseboat, houseboat, houseboat. Not bad. Sailboat, mangroves, sludgy water. That's not the best looking water. We're going to show you some fine looking water. So, get back on the bike. We're going to pass the airport. Then we're going to make our way to the Southernmost Point, the buoy. See how long the lines are for that. About 6 o'clock. A little after 6, line should be starting to die down. Then take a ride on Duval Street. We'll ride all Duval Street if it's not closed off. And you guys can see what that's all about. There it is, the Southernmost Point. All right, we're back on the bike. We are going to ride down Duval Street. Duval goes from the Atlantic to the Gulf of Mexico. Good show. Except Southernmost Point. I really have to make it to this butterfly conservatory. Hear wonderful things about it, even though I'm not a fan of butterflies. All right, here we are on Duval Street, the infamous Duval Street. This is a Friday night, so let's see what's going on Duval Street on a Friday night. Gentlemen's Club, smoothie spot, and cafe and bistro. That was there. Then, when I was here earlier in the year, February to be exact, with my family, we stood right up there. Right up there. Yep. Not a bad location, right? The ice cream place right across the street. The Italian place. This is the best place for scooters and bikes. Bicycle rentals. Orchid Key Inn. Then you get the Conch train here. It was okay, the Conch train tour. Maybe we were tired. We were running and gunning all every day. So, yeah. But I totally enjoyed the trolley tour in St. Augustine. When I go back to St. Augustine, I'm going to take the ghost tour. So, we'll see how that works out. Key Lime Shop. Good job. Oh, what's Pride? That's nice. Oh, is it Pride? And the Pinch's Crab Shack. It was alright. Still, my favorite restaurant down here is Blue Heaven, 100% for brunch on Sunday, and the Conch Republic, which I think we might go eat there tonight. It is 6:42. The sun is going down in just a couple of minutes, actually. Old Town Mexican Cafe. All right. Packed. Cigar. And by far, the best beach. Well, you know what? I can't say that. The public beach that's on the other side of the island looks nice. But the best hidden gem on this island is Fort Zachary Taylor Historic State Park. There is a fort on the island, and there is the beach is small, it's private-ish, you know, it's a state park, so it's a couple of bucks to get in, and oh, what do we got going on here? Willie T's is happening. Look at that. San Carlos. Nice. What do we have up there? Oh, just cross anywhere. Oldest House Museum. Okay. Oldest House Store. The Grand Cafe. Caroline's. Salads, seafood. And this Fat Tuesday. Huh? Cool. The Bull. Oh, we're going triple. We're like NASCAR. Triple, 3 rows. That's because everybody's trying to make it to the pier for sunset. Yep, I'm going on with my helmet on. There we go. Let's drive by Conch Republic, see what we got. Well, let's see what they say here. All right, well, we're here in Key West. We're going to see what the Conch Republic has to offer and say, how long the wait is. So we'll see. All right, check back with you soon. Bye. Hello. This is Wind.Road.Therapy, and I am waking up the neighborhood. So we went to the top of the Keys. We went to the bottom of the Keys. We had a good dinner. And now we're going to ride back in the dark. Well, I don't know how much you guys will be able to see, because we're going to ride on a highway for another 52 miles. This was an awesome experience to ride a whole loop. Oh, they see, they are endangered. They're not just protected, they're endangered. All right, little key deer. Gonna protect you, keep you safe. Stay out of the street. Again, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Make it down here to the Keys. If you have the ways to do it, means. So anyway, thank you for watching. Be well. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit that little bell notification so you know when I post a new video. All right. You'll be well. Peace.